Okay, Leonard's all loaded. He's just waiting for another truck to show up. Oh, here he is. Here's Jim. He just gonna pull out of the way here and let Leonard head for the beach. It's a nice looking load. That's the kind of wood I used to load years ago with my TL3, TL5. It was called the LO3. Yeah. So Jim's going to turn around here and back in and get a load just about identical to that, I would think. Doesn't take too many of those to make a dozen. There. That's a good looking load. Has to pull a little bit uphill here to get out of the landing, and then it's downhill all the way. See you tomorrow, Jim.